Hi everyone, this is Bob Rholzhacker with Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Here we have a wonderful 2016 E-Class. It's very hard to get that year. We can get earlier models. 2016s generally are not off lease yet. The 3-year leases will be next year. We just acquired this one with only 28,000 miles. Beautiful black, has Continental tires on it. Let's take a look at the inside. You have a sunroof, you have navigation, the great stereo system that comes in these cars, beautiful seats, MB Tech seats that clean up very, very nicely. It's quite a big car, great back seat room, great for trips. Let's take a look at the wheels. They're not, no curb rash. Everything's great with the wheels. Trunk is huge. This is something you may not have seen. This pulls out, and after you go grocery shopping or to the drugstore or something, you can put your things in here so they don't move around. And that's up and nicely out of the way. So let's take it for a ride around the parking lot. This car is the 4MATIC, which is the best in the business. All 4 wheels of this car are always powered, unlike some cars that are front wheel drive and then shift a little power to the back after it senses slippage. These wheels are always being driven, which I found to be a big help in snow. It's such a quiet, heavy, composed ride. It really shows as a new car. New 2018 E-Classes would range between 65 and 70,000. So think of this as really almost half price on a what could pass for a new car. Taking it for a little ride here, our first beautiful sunny day in Maine in a little while, and you just can't hear anything at all. The doors are triple sealed, has the Harman Kardon speakers, and that's it from Scarborough, Maine. Give us a call. I'd love to have you take this car for a test drive. Thank you.